Question: which is mandatory when creating a new campaign? Option A. Label. Option B. Start date. Option C. Plan. Option D. Channel. The correct answer is option A. Question: a workflow supervisors group is assigned to a workflow. In which instance is the workflow supervisors group notified? Option A. When a workflow deploys. Option B. When a workflow has thrown an error. Option C. When a workflow is taking a long time to run. Option D. When a delivery has changed. The correct answer is option B. Question: for which reason does a fork activity produce an error? Option A. The fork has no inbound transition. Option B. The fork's outbound transition are out of sequence. Option C. The fork has an inbound transition that has 0 results. Option D. The fork's outbound transition has no connected activity. The correct answer is option D. Question: what 3 file formats are available when exporting data via a data extraction from Adobe Campaign? Choose 3. Option A. PDF. Option B. CSV. Option C. XLS. Option D. XML. Option E. Text. Option F. DOC. The correct answer is option B.